And I would like to encourage all people who want to become actors or filmmakers who are in their small towns, anywhere in the world, they should indulge in theatre because that gives you certain strengths and certain attributes.
Because during Tamasha, you had said that you wanted the film to be made into a theatre and a play.
Yeah.
Any chance of that happening in the future, perhaps?
Well, I hope so. I hope that if journalists like you keep stoking that question and adding fire to that thought, then one day it will definitely happen. It is my concept, an idea, and a dream to make a play, a theatre play out of the script of Tamasha and work it with the Joker and the robot. It, I think, would be an interesting theatre piece.
Can you tell us about your thoughts on this festival?
Well, I'm very happy that there is a festival which is a confluence of theatre and films. Especially for me, coming from theatre into films, it seems like I come home each time I come over here. And I would like to encourage all people who want to become actors or filmmakers who are in their small towns, anywhere in the world, they should indulge in theatre because that gives you certain strengths and certain attributes that will always stand you in good stead, whether you are in theatre or come into films. ओमपुरी जी के साथ कभी मुझे काम करने का सौभाग्य नहीं मिला, मगर मैं ये ज़रूर कहना चाहूँगा कि उनकी ज़िंदगी के आखिरी कुछ दिनों में, महीनों में मेरा बहुत ही सुखद अनुभव रहा उनके साथ मिलने का। वो मेरे घर आए, मैं उनके घर गया और हमने कुछ समय बिताया और मुझे समझ में नहीं आता था कि ऐसा इंसान कैसे हो सकता है जो इतना who's so full of love and is flowing and loving everything that is happening at all times. Om Puri ji was in a state of ecstasy at all times. I've never seen anybody like that. And I think he had enough of this world somehow. And it was my privilege to have met him, and I'm very happy today that we are remembering him.
Shahrukh, Imtiaz, you worked with Shahrukh recently, and he came from the theatre background as well.
Yeah.
So were there talks regarding Delhi theatre?
Oh yes, with Shahrukh a lot of talk about Delhi theatre, and I did not know that he would be so much still in the habit of performing in the way that he used to or he was expected to in theatre. His approach is very theatrical. He talks almost every day. He mentions about his theatre experience in Delhi. And I'm very glad about that.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.